Now we're going to look at programming Logo with a lot more efficiency. Earlier we learned how to do the abbreviations of commands like forwards by doing FD, which is a sign of efficiency, but we can get a lot more efficient with our programming if we have a look at shapes like our square. You will have noticed as you programmed it earlier that the commands are repetitive. It does FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, and it does that 4 times. So why type out all those 8 commands when we can actually do it with 1 line of code? So we need to do a repeat because the commands are repetitive. So we say repeat, and again with a repeat you need to do a space and you need to do the number of times you want to repeat the commands. The commands that you want to repeat you put inside square brackets. Now they're just next to your enter key on your keyboard if you can't find them. So we know that those are the commands that we want to repeat. So we've got to be precise with our syntax that we use there. Syntax is the sort of grammar of a programming language. It's got to be spot on. So once we put that in there, it's 1 line of code, hit execute, and there we go, it's done it for us. So there are only certain programs that we'd want to do a repeat with. This program, program 2, isn't as repetitive because it does right turns, then it does forwards, then it does left turns, then it does forwards, then it does a left turn again. So there's less repetition in there, so we wouldn't use a repeat for that one necessarily. But see if you can identify which of these 6 programs would benefit from a repeat and try them out for yourselves.